Ppsi stock live. Right now it is up 82.15%. It is so crazy right now. PPI stock trading at $5.90 in this pre-market session of the 8th of November 2021. The stock is strongly bullish. The stock is currently overbought right now, and based on the 14-period slow stochastic oscillator, and that's also the case with its RSI. The news is that the company has just launched its eBoost portfolio of mobile electric vehicle charging solutions for a full range of applications. That is what's behind this rally right now. It's a penny stock and extending bullishly. We'll find out whether it's optionable, and we will digest more. Right now it is on the move, 80.62% right now. Let's quickly see what's going on, whether it's optionable before we look at other things. Right now, let's see whether it's optionable. There's a chance it's probably not optionable. I don't think it is. No, there are no options for Ppsi stock. There are no options for it. It's not optionable. Let's return to the 1-minute chart. Let's see what's going to happen. Yes, 83.69%. That is what the gain is right now. And let's see what the daily model is looking like right now. This is what you're seeing right now is live. We're just 38 minutes before the market opens for this session of the 8th of November 2021. So there isn't very much. This gain we are looking at right now has not been reflected on this daily model. So we stick to what's working, which is the 1-minute model, 1-minute chart. Yes, you can see before this session it was just moving sideways, and suddenly this came and it's off. It's probably okay. I wouldn't say it's the biggest mover at the moment, but right now, as we speak right now, the up volume for the stock is, let's get the up volume. We're not getting it. Okay, it's not coming up, but the stock is strongly bullish. Look at that, almost 100% right now. I mean, what are we going to say? Price target? Very difficult to come up with a price target. It's a challenge right now. 91.38%. That's what the gain is right now. Strongly bullish and extending. %. Volume 227,000, 243,000, 257, 374, 382,000. These are all up volumes. So market participants are buying, and they just can't stop buying right now as things stand right now. Okay, momentum is waning slightly. Has waned slightly now. Okay, you can see the sell volumes are there. Got the sell volumes. These are the volumes that were involved in this slight decline it has right now. So it also involves buying and selling as well. So you can see that the gain has dropped down to 88% right now. So because as we speak, we've been scanning the market to see whether there's any big mover. This has turned out to be the biggest mover at the moment right now, and it's also a penny stock. Expect it to be halted, and expect short sellers to jump in. Expect the stock to move sideways in the coming sessions. So yes, that's the news. The news is that yes, it has launched eBoost, a portfolio of mobile electric vehicle charging solutions for a full range of applications. That is what their CEO was saying this morning. You can see here it says they are anticipating a rapidly growing demand for high capacity mobile charging that will be required to support the wide range of EV and mobile power use cases with eBoost products. The launch of these new offerings further advances their strategic shift towards the growing multi-billion-dollar market opportunity in electric vehicle charging. They have applied decades of power engineering experience to the design and development of these new offerings and created a market-facing unit. So they pioneer power mobility to sell, deliver, and support them. To that end, they are proud to announce the appointment of their president. Okay, he has years of experience marketing, specifying, and deploying complex power solutions, and will lead this effort. Okay, and he has also been a key leader at Pioneer, as well as a senior executive with General Electric. He brings a wealth of knowledge and expertise to this developing line of business. So that is, amongst other things, also the people they've also hired. That is probably what is also behind this rally for sure. You can see small float of 8.7 small shares of 8.726 million shares, market cap of 28.4 million. So definitely has everything going for it. The short volumes, the short figures are not very scanty, maybe because the stock is not that popular. It's not a meme stock. So market short sellers haven't gone to this stock. So right now we are looking at it has resumed that uptrend again. So the gain is now 90.77. This is what's going on live right now for Ppsi stock, Pioneer Power Solutions. Momentum is trying to improve right now. RSI has also slightly waned, but it's still indicating the stock is overbought. So let's look at all the other charts. Let's look at the 10-minute chart. Let's see what's going on there. 10-minute chart, you can see a bullish, very steep angle of attack there. So let's look at other ones. Let's look at the 60-minute chart. 60-minute chart also, yes, another case of a very steep angle of attack. So let's return to the 1-minute model and see how steep. Okay, yes, it's quite a steep angle of attack. It's quite a steep one. Yes, expect the stock to pull back. Expect it to pull back. Right now, if you look at what's going on here on this daily model, see where the stock is right now. Let's get a figure. It's trading at 6.19, so easily it has surpassed all of its moving averages right now. You can see that it's now above 6.19. So expect the stock to pull back. As it would just by now, based on this daily chart, you would have easily broken through all of its moving averages. So before now, what the reader was saying, you can see that before now the stock was oversold. So the reversal is what we are looking at right now right now. Yes, that's what's going on right now. So it appears to be rallying within a longer term bearish trend. So yes, the underlying trend is a bearish one. So all of those things have been reversed right now. So it's also before now, when the market closed on the 5th of November, it was trading below a decline in 200-day moving average. Okay, signifying that the dominant trend remains lower. Okay, so it has broken through all of its moving averages, especially the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average right now, based on what things are indicating, obviously. So expect it to pull back. Expect it to pull back. There's no guarantee that it will continue to extend when the session resumes in about 30 minutes or thereabout. And just be really careful with this one. It's a penny stock, very small float. The fundamentals are very good. It's has launched a portfolio of EV charging systems. Yes, that's what the news is. Fundamentals look right, but it's a penny stock, currently cooling off now, getting support from its 20-day moving average. Just be really careful with this one, and we'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.